Gwati mbaru ba kithomo ni boritwe gucwa njira iria igatethereria aritwo gukenera cukuru kenda kunyia makarika ja migomo ire yonekete kuongereka bonene bakiaria kirimambura jantuku ya ontwire aria ni bakuma cukuru cia St Peter's Boys na St Mary's Girls baugite mibango ya gukenia aritwo ni teithagiria kiribo kenda cukuru na kinya kunyia migomo. Marion Karugi katumenyithie cio.
Ontwire Bwanjami Nintukwe ndongi ira aritwa ba secondary ya St Mary's Girls na St Peter's Boys kuma Teresia Murera Igembe Central araba kungwirite Ontwire Bwanjami mwanya mwanya irion jamii ya Mumeru, jamii ya Masai, jamii ya Rendile na kinya jamii ya Samburu. Aritoba ni bona netiewa mwanya mwanya bio kungwira Ontwire. Mbere buru ni mbibate ya school kwithirwo ikibwithia Ontwire.
When we have all these communities, it makes everybody feel at home. It is where everybody feel accepted in this community. Although the school is situated in Meru, it is where every community is respected and it's able to do its own things.
Wanafunzi wetu leo kama unavyoona hapa wamevaa according to their cultures. We have the Wameru, the Samburu, the Rendile and Wakamba and other different cultures. Katika masomo we have the national goals of education where there is cultural integration and also unity. Na kwa hivyo we as the St. Mary's and St. Peter's fraternity, we have different students from different ethnic communities and we embrace their cultures.
Tunapofanya haya, lengo linakuwa hasa kukuza, kufundisha na kuwaonesha wanafunzi wengine jinsi culture nyingine zilivyo na tamaduni aidha, na isitoshe kuhakikisha kwamba kuna ile heshima na taadhima inayowekwa katika tamaduni za kila jamii.
Ikari ya njira imwe ya kurukia mathwani ya aritwa kuma mantune ya maingi yarayomba kwithirwa ya kinosia mathwani yo. Ukungwira Ontwire ni kutuma mathwani ya kathira na aritwa basokera mathomone boya.
My name is Bazaino Lopano Emmanuel. I came from Samburu County. Nimeona leo culture Kimeru. Sijawahi ona.
Nimesoma ya Boran, Saburu, Turkana na venye wanafanya.
Faith Naibat Lorot, nimetoka Turkana. Tungependa pia hii tuparticipate kwa shule yetu na pia tuende kwa shule zingine tuparticipate pia na wao wajue culture zetu.
Evans Bundi, Meru. Leo tumejifunza mengi kama tumeona Redile venye wana perform. Leo tuko hape sana.
Kuringana na murungamiri wa skuru izi Jona Karita, matinda ya Ontwire maskuru ni njira imwe ya kuthiria migomo ya aritwa ira ingite muno kaita kaka tamu yire na nontubo na kuria ye kibonthe bakithomo kwimbirio ntubo nikienda baumba utetheria kuthiria migomo maskuru ne.
Antu ya bwikwendi karenjwa in all schools in Kenya. Inya strike ira ingia ana bakaomba kwaya wa time bakabuithe mantu ya culture ya tuonerwa ri yaumbo bakibise bakawirwo kara skuru bakethra batena stress na by relief kijama mantu ya migomo ya Kenya maina wa schools era ingia ira very rampant especially this term and we are very sorry about it.
So nko advise principals na bonds ba schools na nyarimbo in this country kenda tumba migomo alitubethre very 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 busy wakara na alito bari aindo even a single minute in our schools.
Mkiripotera Weru TV, skuru ni ya St Mary's Girls, Teresia Murera, wodi ni ya Thiru Ruje ni Igembe Central, Betawa Marion Karugi uwaki.